Today we are going to check out 3 new airdrops that you can qualify for without spending anything in commissions and plenty of growth potential. You can't miss out, so let's get started. Hello Quantum Cacti. Welcome back to Quantum Cactus, your trusted guide in the crypto wilderness. As we step into 2024, we're excited to share with you 3 incredible airdrops that offer massive potential. Before we dive in, a huge shout out to our viewers for your support. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join us in surfing the crypto wave. Let's get started with today's exciting finds. First on our list is Evergem, a unique Web3 game based on the Binance Smart Chain. What's exciting about Evergem is that its token is already circulating on PancakeSwap, and they're offering a chance to earn it absolutely free. But remember, this offer is for a limited time only, so let's hurry up and grab this opportunity. Evergem is currently in its first chapter, which is primarily about mining tokens. The developers suggest accumulating these tokens for the upcoming second chapter. However, you have the freedom to withdraw them whenever you wish. To start earning these tokens, follow the link in our description. Once you're on the site, your first objective is to get your free pickaxe. For that, on the homepage, you'll need to connect your wallet and ensure you're on the BNB Smart Chain. The next step involves completing some simple actions on social media. After these are done, you can access the page to get your free pickaxe. Now you're all set to harvest tokens every 5 minutes. If you're looking to increase your token mining capacity, you can acquire other tools or level up your own. Simply log in daily and you'll receive XP, which can be used to improve your tool. For those interested in maximizing their earnings, Evergem offers a referral program. You can share your link to maximize your earnings. Just click on the referral program, share your link, and remember to add value without spamming. Moving on to our second airdrop, we have a very interesting project in the realm of asset encryption on the blockchain, introducing DOP. DOP, or Data Ownership Protocol, is a groundbreaking platform that empowers users by providing complete control over their data. It utilizes zero-knowledge proofs on Ethereum, allowing users and dApps to store assets and make transactions privately, or selectively disclose token holdings and historical information. DOP has announced that 1% of their tokens will be distributed among those who try out their testnet. To participate, you just need to follow a few simple steps. Start by accessing their website through the link in the description. It's a referral link, ensuring you reach the official site and also support our channel. Once on the DOP site, enter your email and accept the conditions. The next step is to create your wallet on the testnet. Be sure to save your seed phrase securely and never share it with anyone. After completing the verification steps, you'll need to unlock your wallet and add your MetaMask wallet. Make sure to change the network to Sepolia to operate on the testnet. Now, you're on the dashboard where you can see the quests you need to complete to qualify. The first task is to connect your X account and follow the official DOP account. After this, you'll claim ETH on the Sepolia network to trade on the testnet. The process is straightforward, just click the button and wait for it to complete. Next, you'll claim some testnet DOP and USDT tokens. The main feature of DOP you'll be testing is the encryption of tokens. You'll then send and decrypt them, enhancing the privacy of your transactions. Enter the amount you wish to encrypt and confirm the transaction. After encrypting your tokens, the next step is to send them. Make sure to enter your MetaMask wallet as the recipient to avoid any issues. Finally, decrypt your tokens by selecting the amount you want to decrypt and entering your password. Once you've completed this 6th step, you're almost done qualifying for the DOP airdrop. The last step is to share the link given to you. Invite 3 people to complete all the steps, and remember to share your link in appropriate places. Our last airdrop for today is from a game that will resonate with those of us born in the 90s, but before we move on, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell to find out before anyone else when we launch the second part with 3 more airdrops totally free and get the advantages of being one of the first to qualify. Kuroro Beasts is a multi-dimensional gaming ecosystem set on the island of Kuroro, where beasts with elemental powers roam free. In this world, trainers from around the globe set out to explore, collect, craft, battle, and master the elements. The entire ecosystem is powered by the Kuro token, housed on the Arbitrum blockchain, which represents the total value of their economy. Kuroro Beasts is currently running a play-to-airdrop event, which is completely free to participate in. To get started, click on the link in the description and connect your wallet to access the airdrop dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see several ways to qualify, starting with the quests. Currently, the available quest is to connect your Twitter account, which will gain you experience. Keep an eye on the next quests to continue climbing the leaderboard. Next, navigate to the badges page. Here, you'll see tasks available to climb positions. Besides the quests, there are collector badges. To participate for free, focus on the yellow badges from the game Beast Brawl. Beast Brawl is a turn-based RPG that will remind you of classic Pokemon battles. The team has prepared a video guide to help you learn how to play. With patience and skill, you can earn badges to qualify in the airdrop. Additionally, there's Kuroro Wilds and the casual game Holiday Escape. In Kuroro Wilds, Episode 1 is available, and while it won't earn you any badge, it's worth completing. Holiday Escape involves escaping from a monster to win gifts. You'll need to dodge obstacles and activate frequency towers to complete the level. You get 3 attempts a day to collect as many gifts as possible. Finally, there's the referral system. You can share your link to get rewards. Clicking on the link in the description to follow is a great way to support the channel for free, allowing us to continue bringing you guides and news from the crypto world. With this system, you'll get XP to continue climbing positions on the leaderboard. Also, if you make a purchase of a pack of beasts that costs about $35 and you've registered with a referral link, you'll get a limited edition beast NFT for free. To get referrals, you can use strategies such as sharing on social networks or in Discord rooms, always ensuring it's allowed and not bothering the community. Now all you have to do is play from time to time to qualify in Kuroro's airdrop. And that's a wrap for today. Quantum Cacti. We've explored some fantastic airdrops for 2024. Stay tuned for part 2, coming later this week with more exciting opportunities. Happy New Year 2024 to all. Your support keeps us going, and we're thrilled to share this crypto journey with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the latest updates. Until next time, keep thriving in the crypto world. See you soon, Quantum Cacti.